Hi guys, I'm Miles.
And I'm Tom.
And we're two of the founders of Envision. So as we've alluded to across our social channels, we're going through a number of changes. And today we wanted to expand on what some of those changes actually are. So first off, the biggest change is really around the type of media that we're going to be focusing on and the type of user that will be interacting with that media. So to capture a more blockchain native user, we're going to be focusing on 3D assets. So these are the types of assets that will be found in the metaverse, that will be used for building games, including blockchain and play-to-earn games, as well as in more conventional industries such as architecture and interior design. We will still be supporting conventional 2D stock media formats, so photos and videos, and all of the creators that we've already had sign up to the platform will certainly still be supported, and we'll look to grow that community as well over the time. So why this change has really been created and driven by a need to scale and grow our user base faster. We've found that people that are already interacting with blockchain and digital assets are much easier to onboard, and this change will really allow us to focus and push into users that already have exposure and/or an interest within blockchain. So we're expecting to see our user base scale at a much faster speed than what we have been over the past period.
From a technical perspective, we've decided to relaunch the token on base chain. And this is because of a number of factors. One being that we're seeing a lot of on-chain volume move from other chains to base chain. As of the last 24 hours, it's currently the second biggest chain by volume, which is just massive. So seeing a huge influx of users moving over to the base chain. And we also believe it's going to capture a lot of the community and vibe and essence of the next bull run. So we're hoping to get some great exposure from moving our project to the base chain. Another reason being we're seeing a lot of things like meme tokens doing really well, and what the community is really longing for is a quality project. So we're really excited to be bringing a quality product onto the base chain because we think the community there is starving for some good, decent projects.
So we'll also see our platform move across to the new domain at envisionlabs.io. There'll also be a number of changes that you start to see on the Envision testnet, which we plan to move across to the base chain within the next week or so. And that will shortly be then followed by a mainnet release. So as Tom mentioned, we're going to be moving our current Ethereum-based token across to base chain. So we'll be announcing specific dates and times of all of the steps of that migration process, but we'll be pausing trading and withdrawals of the current token on the Ethereum blockchain. We'll then be taking a snapshot of all of the token holders' address and the values. We will then be announcing a relaunch date and time, and we'll be commencing at that date and time to airdrop all of the current holders, as well as commencing trading and providing liquidity back into the pair. So we'll be sharing this across all of our socials as well as our newsletter, so make sure that you're informed across there if you are a current token holder. We're really excited to have you all along for this journey. It's a very exciting time to be working within Web3 and blockchain. And we're really confident the next 12 to 18 months is going to be a really exciting and pivotal moment for this industry as a whole. So as always, our mission is to support creators and empower creators by returning power and control. And we're really proud and pleased to be able to move this into another phase and another direction while still carrying that same mission. So we'll be sharing more details with you shortly. And yeah, appreciate you being along for the ride.